Hi everyone. Welcome to our Ultimate Side Hustle Guide. In today's video, we're diving deep into the world of side hustles, exploring various opportunities that can help you boost your income and achieve financial freedom. Whether you're looking to pay off debt, save for a vacation, or simply want some extra cash in your pocket, we've got you covered. We'll discuss popular side hustle ideas, tips for getting started, and how to balance your time effectively. In an economy where living expenses are constantly rising, having a side hustle is more important than ever. It not only provides a financial cushion but also allows you to pursue your passions and develop new skills. So, stick around as we uncover the best strategies to turn your spare time into a profitable venture. Understanding side hustles. Side hustles are flexible work opportunities that individuals take on in addition to their primary job. Unlike traditional employment, which often comes with fixed hours and responsibilities, side hustles allow you to choose when and how much you work. This flexibility is one of the key benefits, as it enables you to fit your hustle around your existing commitments. Additionally, side hustles provide the potential for extra income, which can significantly enhance your financial situation. Whether it's freelancing, selling products online, or offering services, the possibilities are endless. By diversifying your income streams, side hustles can pave the way to financial freedom, helping you achieve your goals faster. They not only offer a safety net during uncertain times but also empower you to invest in your dreams and aspirations. Embracing a side hustle could be the first step toward a more secure financial future. Identifying your skills and interests. To successfully embark on a side hustle journey, it's essential to assess your skills and interests. Start by engaging in self-reflection. Think about what you enjoy doing and what you're naturally good at. Consider your hobbies, past experiences, and any specialized knowledge you possess. Tools like online skills assessments and personality quizzes can help you identify strengths you may not even realize you have. Additionally, conducting market research can reveal what skills are in demand, allowing you to align your talents with potential opportunities. Remember, the best side hustles often stem from your passions, making the work more enjoyable and sustainable. When you choose a hustle that resonates with you, it not only increases your chances of success but also keeps you motivated. So take the time to explore your skills and interests. It's a crucial step toward finding the perfect side hustle for you. Top side hustle ideas. If you're looking for innovative side hustle ideas, you're in the right place. There are countless options to explore, catering to various skills and interests. Freelancing is a popular choice, with opportunities in writing, graphic design, and web development. E-commerce is another exciting avenue. Consider starting an online store through platforms like Etsy or Shopify, where you can sell handmade crafts or curated products. Tutoring is also a rewarding option, whether it's academic subjects or teaching a musical instrument. Real people have turned their passions into successful side hustles, like a stay-at-home mom who launched a thriving baking business or a college student who built a profitable YouTube channel. The key is to get creative and choose a side hustle that aligns with your skills and lifestyle. Remember, the best side hustle is one that excites you and fits seamlessly into your routine. Monetization strategies. When it comes to turning your side hustle into a profitable venture, effective monetization strategies are key. One popular method is affiliate marketing, where you earn commissions by promoting other companies' products or services. This can be a great fit for bloggers or social media influencers. Another option is product sales, whether it's physical goods through e-commerce platforms or digital products like e-books and online courses. When pricing your services or products, research your competitors to ensure you're offering competitive rates while still valuing your work. Remember, Building a strong brand is crucial for long-term success. It helps you stand out in a crowded market and fosters customer loyalty. Invest time in creating a cohesive brand identity, from your logo to your messaging. By combining these monetization strategies, you can maximize your earnings and create a sustainable side hustle that thrives over time. Automation techniques. In today's fast-paced world, automation strategies can significantly streamline your side hustle, allowing you to focus on growth. There are numerous tools and software available that can help automate repetitive tasks. For instance, platforms like Zapier can connect different apps to automate workflows, while email marketing tools like MailChimp can schedule and send campaigns without manual effort. Social media management tools like Hootsuite allow you to schedule posts in advance, saving you valuable time. By implementing these automation techniques, you can increase efficiency and free up your schedule for more strategic activities. This time-saving approach enables you to concentrate on scaling your side hustle, whether that means expanding your product line, reaching new customers, or enhancing your marketing efforts. Embracing automation not only simplifies your operations but also positions you for long-term success in your entrepreneurial journey. Marketing your side hustle. Promoting your side hustle effectively is crucial for attracting clients and growing your business. In today's digital age, having a strong social media presence is essential. Platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and LinkedIn allow you to showcase your products or services, engage with potential customers, and build a community around your brand. Networking is another powerful strategy. Attend local events, join online forums, and connect with like-minded individuals to expand your reach and build a loyal customer base. Additionally, consider leveraging content marketing to attract clients. By creating valuable content, such as blog posts, videos, or podcasts, you can establish yourself as an authority in your niche and draw in an audience interested in what you offer. Remember, the more you promote your side hustle and engage with your audience, the more opportunities you'll create for growth and success. Managing time and resources. Balancing a side hustle with a full-time job can be challenging, but with the right strategies, you can maximize productivity without sacrificing your well-being. Start by implementing effective time management techniques, such as the Pomodoro technique, which involves working in focused bursts followed by short breaks. This can help maintain your energy and concentration. Setting realistic goals is crucial. Break larger objectives into smaller, manageable tasks to avoid feeling overwhelmed. Prioritizing tasks is equally important. Identify what needs immediate attention and what can wait. This will help you stay organized and focused on what truly matters. Additionally, be mindful of your limits to prevent burnout. Schedule regular breaks and make time for self-care to recharge your mind and body. By managing your time and resources wisely, you can successfully juggle your side hustle and full-time job while enjoying the journey. In this video, we've explored the exciting world of side hustles and their potential for financial growth. We discussed how side hustles can provide extra income, enhance your skills, and even lead to financial freedom. Remember, identifying your skills and interests is the first step in finding the right hustle for you. We also covered effective monetization strategies, automation techniques to streamline your efforts, and marketing tips to promote your side hustle effectively. Now it's time for you to take action, explore your options and start your journey toward financial independence. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe, like, and share it with others who might benefit from this information. Your support helps us create more valuable content to guide you on your side hustle journey. Thank you for watching, and we can't wait to see you succeed.